and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. So guys, as you all know, congratulations are in order. Like, we nailed it. We did it all together. Like, you, me, everybody, we are all together in this. We all did it and it paid off, you get. So thank you so very much. Like, thank you for all your love. Thank you for your congratulatory messages. Thank you for everything that you've done to keep this channel up and running. I really appreciate you all. Like, it means a lot to me. I don't know where to start from. Like, I'm so emotional. Since morning I've just been like, why? As in, is this me? But then I got you all have my back. You all are doing it, like, standing strong. So I want to sincerely thank each and every one of you. I want to say thank you for all the love. Thank you for liking, thank you for sharing. This is not the video for that anyway. This one is not the video. On that video, we are going to drink champagne. Like, just chill, just calm down for me, okay? Yes, guys. So today I'm just going to go into the Vlogmas video. Earlier today, I put on my community tab that you people should ask me questions. I'm going to answer some questions, but I think I did it late. I'm supposed to like post that yesterday, which I didn't, but then a few people were able to ask their questions, of which the post is still there. You can actually go ahead and still ask your questions. One of these days I'll try and put it in one of the Vlogmas videos, okay? So guys, I'm just going to answer the few questions that was asked this morning, which is okay, this one is for Steffi's Space. Yeah, Steffi Space is not just my YouTube person, you get. She's somebody like a friend outside YouTube, but then she came online and she asked this question on my community tab. So then I'm just going to answer a question. Our question is, how do you manage client order at same time you are filming the order? Like, seriously, this one is one interesting question. I've actually gone out of my comfort zone since I started this channel, you get. Like, something that would take me like an hour to do, these days I get to start it earlier, just because you have to like set your camera, you have to do this, you have to position it. See, I know I'm not too good at this photographic game, but the work is not here. But then you want to give your people content. I want to give you all content, so I have to. So normally, if I want to wake up by 7 o'clock to prepare a morning order, I wake up by, say, 6:30. Normal, I'm supposed to wake like 6 o'clock, right? And maybe deliver by 7. But when I want to film, when I feel like, okay, I want to film this process, I'm going to wake up like, say, 5 a.m. That's 1 hour before I'm supposed to. Simply because you have to like arrange, like, there are some things you just have to put in order because of the video, for video purpose, you get. So actually that one I'm still getting to like balance in that aspect, but then I'm just pushing. But not all the time, because sometimes if I just see like, oh, this order is going to be like swift, it's going to be fast, I just, oh no, not today, let me just keep my phone away and just focus on the order. So because it's not all order that you want to delay, right? So the second question, okay, this one is not even a question. Somebody just went there and say, oh, you're so cute. Oh guys, thank you. See, no makeup and I'm looking this good, you get. That's a fabulous Gracie. Yeah, thank you, girl. I've been seeing you, like, I've been seeing your comments. You're one of the pillar in this channel. Thank you so much, you get. Okay, let me go to Lizzie's corner. Lizzie's corner is just caring, like, yeah, guys. It's just like, how are you? How is Temilaya? Oh god, thank you so much. Temi is fine. She's just disturbing. She just got back from school, and yeah, I'm good. I'm perfect. I'm so happy. I'm just really like celebration mood since I woke up this morning. So guys, I'm good. Yeah, thank you. Okay, there are some other questions in some of my other pictures. For example, puff packaging, how you do this, how you do that. Guys, I'm not going to put that in any of the Vlogmas video because that's like some questions that comes in regularly. So I'm going to create a separate Q&A for business questions. Like that one, I want to actually sit down and answer you guys. You get, I really want you all to watch that one. So it's not for this one at all. I'm going to sit down, I'm going to answer you so that you get to like digest it and understand okay, answered you and all that. So it's not going to be on any of these vlogmas, because some of you are not even interested in my vlogmas. Look at the views I'm getting. But then I appreciate you all, because you are my pillar, I guess. Okay, so guys, moving forward, I'm going to add, just, you know me, I will always give you extra. I'm going to add something. There's like when I make my chicken, there's always like fat, chicken fat coming out from it. I made a video of how I extract the fat. As I'm talking to you, it's in the refrigerator doing its thing. So I'm just going to show you how I get the fat out, how I preserve it, or like just that. In one of my daughter's school lunch video, that is like down one of my first videos, I used the chicken fat to make fried egg for her. So some questions have been coming, even if it's an old video. Some of you still went back to watch it. Thank you very much. And now you want me to show you how I extract the fat. It's very simple, and I'm just going to attach the video to this one, guys, so you can actually have something from me today. So again, I want to say thank you so much. Thank you for all the love. Like, this is a win for you, it's a win for me, because you actually made this happen for me. I appreciate you all. So guys, till day 6, we'll see you in day 6. Like I said, I'm just making this video, and this is like 3 o'clock already, so I'm just going to round up and just edit it so that you can actually see it today. And if you haven't watched any of my video, check the description in this post. There's a link to a playlist I created for all of my vlogmas video, so you can actually explore, watch day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and this is day 5. Tomorrow we do day 6. So guys, after cooking your chicken, what you want to do is to set the broth aside and then allow it to cool off. Once it's completely cool, you want to pass it onto a sieve and sieve out all the excess particles from the chicken that is left in the broth. So you can see the pot, you can see how much chicken piece we have in it. So you don't want that in your broth, right? So you just sieve it out gently with a sieve, with this net sieve, because the holes are really tiny. So you just sieve it out, and then you go ahead, shake. You can see all the things we are preventing from getting in. So here we go. You can see how beautiful the broth is. Like, it's very clean, you get. So guys,
now
here's
the
the
has
chicken
come
fat.
out from the fridge.
After
You
some
can see
time in
everything
the
is solid.
refrigerator, like
You're
everything
just
is
going to carefully,
like the fat has come up and everything
extract the
is like
broth,
frozen.
the fat from the
Here's the
broth,
fat, and here's the
and you can see it's showing already. Like, you can separate it even with your eyes. So you're just going to gently use your spoon to break out the fat from the broth carefully, so you don't have any of the broth in your fats. So with this fat, guys, you can make fried egg, like delicious fried egg. You can make your veggies for your fried rice. You can use this broth to fry it. You can even make your pancakes. Like, I use it to grease my pan when I want to make pancakes. It comes in handy. You don't need vegetable oil to do all that when you have this in your fridge, and it's very tasty. Remember, you added all your ingredients when cooking your chicken, so this is a good way to have them in other meals. So guys, I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want any other short video like this, don't hesitate to put your comment in the comment section, and trust me, I will do just that. So let me know if you are going to be trying this, if you are going to give your daughter a egg made with this, so she can enjoy, because Temilayo enjoyed this a lot. She takes it to school and she really likes it. So let me know if you'll be trying it out. Yeah, so you can see I'm scraping out the little liquid that must have followed the fats. So what you want to now, I'm just showing you like how clean the broth is, because you didn't add all those particles. You can actually store this back in the fridge, make your fried rice, make your jollof rice, whatever you need your broth for. Even when you are cooking your soup and you don't have any protein, you can just use this and then you are good to go. So I'm just going to store it back in the fridge. I'm going to store the fat back in the fridge, and that is it. Thank you guys.
So thank you so very much for everything. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Like, it's been posting back to back these days. You don't want to miss anyone. You don't want to like miss a day in our Vlogmas video. So please guys, do the needful and turn on your notification bell so that you can be the first person to get notification once we are on. Yes guys. So thank you much. Thank you. Bye.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine.